Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about problem solving through programming in C, week 9 programming assignment solutions. The due date for week 9 programming assignment solutions is 29/9/2022. First program, write a program to print all the locations at which a particular element is found in a list and also print the total number of items it occurs in the list. The location starts from 1. For example, if there are 4 elements in the array 5, 6, 5, 7, if the element to be searched is 5, then the output will be 5 is present at location 1, 5 is present at location 3, 5 is present 2 times in the array. This is the input and this is the output. So first we have to declare an array with size 100. That array type is integer. Whatever the element you want to search is stored in the variable called search. Its data type is integer. Next one, the required array size is variable n. Its data type is integer. So count value is initially with 0. Its data type is integer. Now how many number of elements that we are taken that are read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So that number of elements are read from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Next, whatever the element you want to search, that element is stored in the variable called search, that is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Now first variable I can be declared as integer for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Within the for loop, if array of I equal to search, whatever the element you want to search, that element can be equal to the particular index of array. So then if this condition is true, then count value can be incremented. Next one, printf %d is present at location %d. That means our searching element is present at location. That location is starts with 1, hence we can say that here we have to write I plus 1 instead of I. Next one, suppose if count value equal to 0, so we can say that printf searching item is not present in the array. Else, within the else block we have to write, so searching element is present in the array %d number of times. %d is nothing but count. Okay, here how many number of times the searching element is found in the array. Okay, if the searching element is found in the array, at which position it is occurred, that can be printed here. If the searching element is not found in the array, this statement is printed. If the searching element is found in the array, how many times it is presented. So this is the simple code. Now we have to click on the save button and click on compile and run button. So see this one, compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Test case 1, input is 4 and the searching element is 5. The 4 elements are 6, 5, 7, 5. So 5 is present at location 1 and 5 is present at location 3. 5 is present 2 times in the array. So both here actual output is equal to the expected output, then we can say that status is passed. Both actual output and expected output both are equal, then we are getting the status as passed. In test case 2, so required array size is 5, searching element is 50. Okay, So the elements are 67, 80, 45, 97, 100. Among them, so searching element is 50. 50 is not present in the array. Actual output is also 50 is not present in the array. Actual output is equal to the expected output. Then we are getting the status is passed. Then we have to submit the program 1. So see this one. Text case 1 is passed. Test case 2 is also passed. Next, we can go for the second program. Write a C program to search a given element from a one-dimensional array and display the position at which it is found by using linear search function. The index location starts from 1. So here, this is the function that we are using, int linear search integer array, how many size of the array and which element you want to search. In the main function, an array can be declared with the size is 100, its data type is integer. What is the element you want to search? That is stored in search. C is integer variable, n is the required size, and position means at which position the searching element is found. So the required array size is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So that number of elements are read from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. And what is the element you want to search? That is also read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Now int I, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if array of I equal to search. That means here the for loop is iterating from 0 to n minus 1. Whenever the searching element is occurred in the array at particular index, then we can say that printf %d is present at location. So here %d for search and %d for I plus 1. Here the location starts with 1, so that we have to write I plus 1 instead of I. So that means if array of I equal to search, the searching element is present at location of I plus 1. Once the searching element is found in the array, then break statement. The break statement is used for terminating the program control from the current loop. So then the program control can be transferred from this statement to after the for loop. Next line, finish. If I equal to n. So suppose if the searching element is not found in the array, so this condition is true, I equal to n. That means it reaches the end of the array. So whenever the program control reaches the end of the array, we can say that this condition is true. Printf %d is not present in the array. So that means searching element is not present in the array. So save as draft, click on compile and run button. So compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 is also passed. Test case 1, here the required array size is 5 and searching 5 elements are 78, 90, 34, 54, 98. Searching element is 90. So 90 is present at location 2. Actual output is also 90 is present at location 2. Both actual output is equal to the expected output. Then we can say that status is passed. Test case 2, required array size is 6. The 6 elements are 30, 40, 50, 20, 90, 60. Searching element is 90. So 90 is present at location 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here expected output is 90 is present at location 5. Actual output is 90 is present at location 5. Both actual output is equal to the expected output. So status is passed. So then we have to submit our solution. So now test case 1 is passed, test case 2 is also passed. Next, third program, write a C program to search a given number from a sorted 1D array and display the position at which it is found using binary search algorithm. So here variable C and variable N and variable search can be declared as integer variables, and array name with size 100 can be declared as integer data type, and the required array size can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. The array elements are read from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function, and whatever the element you want to search, so that can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. In the array, so zeroth index can be denoted as first, and n minus 1 element can be assigned to the last variable. So first and last variable can be declared as integer variable, and middle is another variable that can be declared as integer variable. So first, last, middle, that can be declared as integer variable. First can be initialized with 0, last variable can be initialized with n minus 1. Next one, middle is equal to first plus last by 2. By using this formula, we have to find out the middle element, while first less than or equal to last. So index 0 less than or equal to index n minus 1. So condition is true. Then control goes to the body of the while loop. Here, if array of middle less than such, if this condition is true, that means the searching element is found in the second half of the array. So then the first can be initialized with the middle plus 1. Next, if the searching element is found at the middle, so this condition is true. So then printf searching element is found at location. Location is nothing but middle plus 1. Okay. If the searching element is found, then so break statement is encountered. By using that break statement, the program control can goes to the next statement after the while loop. So if first greater than last, so whenever this condition is true, searching element is not found in the array. So not found, searching element is not present in the list. Okay. If this condition is also false, then go to the else block. So last is equal to middle minus 1. That means searching element is found in the first half of the array. Okay. So here the middle element is mainly used for dividing the array into two parts. If the searching element is found in the searching element is less than the middle element, our key element is present in the first half of the array. If the searching element is greater than the middle element, our searching element is there in the second half of the array. So by using middle, we can divide the array into two parts, that is the first half and the second half. If the searching element is less than the middle element, our searching element is found in the first half of the array. If the searching element is greater than the middle element, so our searching element is found in the second half of the array. So this can be done when first less than or equal to last. If this condition is failed, so then control goes to the next statement after the while loop. So whenever first greater than last, then we can say that the searching element is not found in the array. So this is the simple program. So click on save as the dropped and click on compile and run button. So compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. Here two test cases are there. Test case 1, input, we are entering 5 elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Searching element is 40. So 40 is found at location 4. This is the expected output. and actual output is also 40 is found at location 4. Both actual output is equal to the expected output. Status is passed. In test case 2, array size is 4 and 4 elements are 44, 55, 66, 77. Searching element is a 10. So 10 is not found, 10 is not present in the list. Actual output is also not found, 10 is not present in the list. Both actual output is equal to the expected output. So status is passed. So after that, click on the submit button. Then we can go for the fourth program. So write a C program to reverse an array by swapping the elements and without using any array. So first we have to declare the array with the required size is 100 with the data type is int, and this is the available array size. The required array size is stored in variable n, that is read from the keyboard by using scanf function, and C is another integer variable. So the required array size is read from the keyboard by using scanf function. So based on the required array size, we are reading the array elements from the keyboard by using for loop and scanf function. Next, so I, j are two integer variables. I is initialized with the index 0, j is initialized with the n-1 index. N is the required array size. Next one, while I less than j. So that means 0 index is less than n-1 index. So if this condition is true, the control goes to the body of the while loop and swapping these two elements, ith index and jth index elements. So once we are completing the swapping, I value is incremented and j value is decremented. These 5 statements are done until this condition is true. If this condition is false, then control goes to the next statement after the while loop. So then the program is terminated. So here in this program, okay, so 0 index element and n-1 index elements are swapped. First index element and n-2 element is swapped. Third index element and n-2 element is swapped. So this process is continued until all the elements of the array are swapped. So this is the program. After swapping, so printf reversed array elements are, that array elements are printed by using for loop and printf function. Okay, printf statement. So save as a draft and click on the compile and run button. So see this one, compilation passed, public test cases 2 by 2 passed. There are 2 test cases are there. Array size is 4, that elements are 10, 20, 30, 40. Reversed array elements are 40, 30, 20, 10. Actual output is, reversed array elements are 40, 30, 20, 10. Actual output is equal to the expected output. So then status is passed. Test case 2, array elements are 5, 50, 60, 40, 30, 20. Reversed array elements are 20, 30, 40, 60, 50. Actual output is, reversed array elements are 20, 30, 40, 60, 50. Both actual output is equal to the expected output. Then status is passed. So then click on submit. So see this one, test case 1 is passed. So this is the week 9 programming assignment program. I hope all of you understanding this video. If you really like this video, click on the like button and share this video to your friends and classmates. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel name DIVVELA Srinivasa. After subscribing my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all for watching this video.